Okay, so this is lesson 2, okay, in unit 1 in session 1. And we're going to be adding numbers. We're going to be adding two-digit numbers, and we're also going to be adding three-digit numbers. Okay, so look at the problem. It says solve the problem. Benoit has 215 photos, okay? He's got 215 photos on his phone. Sarah has 173. So Sarah has 173 on her photos. It says we're adding, it's a plus sign. Okay, how many photos does Benoit and Sarah have in all? On which side do I start? Do I start on the left side or do I start on the right side?
Right side.
I start on the right side. So again, which side do I start on? The right side, which is 5 plus 3, which is 8. Okay, so do I have to carry anything? No, because 8 is a single digit. If it had 18 or 10, then yes, I would put the number in the ones place here and then carry the number in the tens and from the tens place over. Okay, so then I do the middle. So 1 plus 7 is 8 again. That's a single digit, so I don't have to carry anything. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so how many photos do they have altogether?
388.
388 is your answer. I need to make that better. Much better one there. 388. Okay. So we're going to explore. Okay. And we're adding 3-digit numbers. So yeah, we're adding 3-digit numbers. All right, let's sorry about this. So we're adding 3-digit numbers. Okay. So look, use base 10 blocks to model the number 147. Okay. That means, okay, I have one of these like that is 100, right? And then how many tens do I have? 4. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many ones? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's it. These are my 10 blocks, and this is how I model. So this also represents 140 because I have 100s, I have 4 10s, and I have 7 ones. Okay, so it says Rodney has 147 songs in his MP3 player. MP3 is like your iPod. Okay. Okay. Elaine has 212 songs in her MP3 player. How many songs do they have in all? In all, that means to do what? Add, yes. So I'm going to take 147 plus 212, and I'm adding. Okay. What is the problem about? Well, it's about songs, and I need to add all of those. So 2 plus 7 is?
9.
2 plus 7? 9. And I always start on the right side, not the left. Okay. Do I have to carry anything? No, because it's a single digit. Okay. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. And that's all she wrote. Just try it, solve, and support your thinking. Well, what I did was, okay, I used 10 blocks. Okay. I have 100s here. So for 147, this is a 100 block. I have one of those. I have 4 10s. I have another one here, 4 10s. And then I have 4 ones, right? 7 ones, sorry. 7 ones. And then I have 212, so I have two 100s. Okay, and how many 10s I have in 112? One. And how many ones do I have? Two. So when I add it all together, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many hundreds? 3. 359. That's another way to do it as well. Okay. Okay, ask your partner how to get started. Well, how do we get started? Actually, you need to put one number at the top, one number at the bottom, and on what place do I start adding? The ones place, which is the right side of the problem, right? It says explain how to find the numbers of songs Rania and Elaine had all together. Well, I could use what kind of blocks? 10 blocks, okay, front pictures, okay, and then, or I can do it the old-fashioned way. I could do it this way. And then what place am I adding first? Ones, which is right here on the right side.